Good night, guys. Welcome back to the channel 241. I'm here tonight with Orosco. Well, actually, my brother. I got one for me. I said, "Is Orosco your brother?" When you find your brother is a superstar, you get so excited. I don't even want him to speak. I'm gonna speak, bro. What just happened tonight? Game 1.
Yeah, man, statement. That's all I can say. Statement. That's it. He said the statement and making people understand how long this series is gonna be.
Man, that was crazy tonight. And at one point, I saw you did a dunk, and then some people wanted to fight. Was that you? Is that the energy that you bring, or is that?
I don't know, man. I guess it is the energy that I bring. I guess it is certain things that I bring to the court. You know what I'm saying? But my energy really came from two of my players being down. You know what I'm saying? One not playing and one getting ejected out of the game. So I kind of had to pick up the slack, especially for my boys. You know what I'm saying? For my teammates.
Guys, I just want to clear up one thing real quick. People ask me, am I a Hurricane interviewer? Am I a Hurricane? Listen, guys, it was humbleness, guys. No one knows me. I'm sure after I started this, these are the guys who are here. But bro, anything towards Tigersharks, have any words for them, any words for the fans?
Hey, just keep coming out and supporting. I never no disrespect to nobody. Never. I always want the fans to come out and support, especially here in the league. I want everybody to be able to, support the game of basketball. I love it. You know what I'm saying? Keep, bringing this energy to the game of basketball, especially the BBL.
I'm just saying off, guys. I want to show the comparison. This guy is big out there. So this is how we're gonna end. Respect, guys. 241. See what I mean. We are.